Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to enable developer mode on a Chromebook. So first of all, back up any data or files you want to keep because this process will remove all of your accounts and files. So after that, you turn off your Chromebook, and then after you turn it off, you push escape, refresh, or the circular arrow, and power buttons on your keyboard at the same time. So escape, refresh, and power button at the same time. And then wait for your computer to enter recovery mode. You should see an exclamation mark and text saying Chrome OS is missing or damaged. Once it's done, hit Ctrl plus D on your keyboard and press enter. You wait for your Chromebook to load up because once it's done, you should see a screen saying that OS verification is off with a picture of a laptop with an exclamation mark. So basically, that's it.